Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to use the ZD function component. This is an extension of the tutorial which I did last time. The link is on the top right of the screen. Click on the I button and check it out. In that tutorial we had created a simple blueprint where we had a chair and a light. In the blueprint we had made two custom events, one to control the visibility of the light and the other to control the color of the light. So let me just rename this. In this video, let us just focus on this simple blueprint, the light on off. So what we did in the last tutorial was we created this custom event called light on off. We created a function called light switch. We took the light switch and we connected it to the custom event light on off. Let's just see this in action first and then we will talk about the ZD function component. So if I hit play and go to Reality Hub, select the BP chair, and you can see there is this function called light switch. If I just click, it turns on and off. Now let's talk about what the ZD function component does. In this example, in order for us to access this custom event from Reality Hub, we had to make a function and then connect that custom event to this function. What the ZD function component does, it takes out this extra step of creating this function. So let us just delete this function. For now, we are just focusing on the light on and off. Just ignore the light color blueprint. So let us delete the function called light switch. So this is the function. Let us just delete it. Compile, save. Now if I hit play and go back to Reality Hub, when I select the chair, I cannot see the light switch because I have deleted the function. Let's go back to the blueprint and under add component, let's just click and type ZD functions. Let's give it a name. Let's call it light switch new. Scroll down and under events called, just hit this plus button. And now we have this custom event. Let's just take it up. And we don't need this anymore. Let's just delete it and connect this custom event to our toggle visibility. Hit compile, save, and now if I hit play and go to Reality Hub, in Reality Hub I can see I have this new function called reality switch new. It works the same way. So what we did by adding the ZD function component is that we took out the extra step of creating a function and then connecting the function to the custom event. In the next tutorial, I will show you how to change the light color using the onChange custom event. Till then, subscribe to my channel, like, comment and share. See you in the next one.